Ger, kamay ger. Si kaon kaon. Ah, kaon. Kaon kaon kamay tiger. Kaon kamay tiger. Si kaon. Kaon kaon ah. Kaon kaon. Kain muna kain para ma busog kayo. Si Tiger. So guys, good morning. This is my 3 dogs guys. They're in Bacolod City. Name is Tiger. And the second guys is Husky. Husky in white color guys. Ay, kaon 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 to the Husky. Kain kaon kaon. Si kaon kaon. Kaon. Kaon kaon. Kain muna Husky ha para tumaba ka palagi ha. Si Husky white color guys. Kain kain kain. At saka si Hana guys. Tatlong ito guys. Si Husky yung lalaki. Ang dalawa. Magiloy Magina. Si Hana. Hana kain ka kain Hana kain. Kain may muna kain. Kain mabuti ka Hana. Kain. Kain muna Hana. Si Hana. Ito po si Tiger. Sabi ko kanina ang unang-unang aso si Tiger. Kain Tiger kain. Ito tatlong aso namin nagbabantay sa aming bahay. Kung umalis kami dito sa bahay at sila pong tatlong naiwan. Ito po kalawa si Hana. Si Husky anak ito ni Tiger dati. At doon lumaki sa Murcia. Ang maliit dinala sa Murcia. At doon lumaki at ngayon nagbabalik naman sa dito. Magandang kulay ni Husky guys. Ito guys si Husky inong lalaki. Ang dalawa si Hana at si Tiger. Si Tiger ama ni Hana. Inay. Si Husky inay. Si Husky bata ni Tiger. Magkapatid pala sila ni Hana. Si Husky at si Hana. Nalang inay si Tiger. Tapos kakain si Tiger, si Hana guys. Guys, good morning, God bless you. Shout out to all nation, USA, Canada, Indonesia, Inglaterra, Italy, Sweden, Poland, Netherlands, Africa, Nebraska, Saudi Arabia, China, Great Britain, Alaska, Indonesia, Singapore, God bless you and good morning to all nation. RY Vlog 2025, welcome to all nation. There in Bacolod City, Negros. God bless you and good morning. This is dog of the Philippines. The name is Tiger, Hana, and the lastly is husky. Husky, ang kanyang kulay, color of husky is brown and white. White, brown, and brown, white. This husky is a male. Tiger and Hana is female. Tiger, I continued to eating the food, rice, brown rice and white rice, including some ingredients. God bless you and good